In this video, we're diving straight into how to set up the Facebook pixel in GetResponse, a crucial step if you're looking to optimize your Facebook advertising and track your conversions. Stick around, because at the end of this video, I'll share some powerful alternatives to GetResponse that might serve your needs even better. First off, let's quickly talk about what the Facebook pixel is. The pixel is a snippet of code you add to your website or landing page to track conversions from Facebook ads. This is essential for anyone running ads on Facebook, as it gives you key insights into how your audience interacts with your content. It helps track purchases, signups, or any action you want to monitor. Now, let's get into setting it up in GetResponse. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your GetResponse account. Once you're inside, head over to the menu and select the Integrations and AMP API option. In this section, you'll see several integrations available to you. Next thing you'll do is select Facebook Pixel. If this is your first time using it, you'll need to click Add Facebook Pixel. A pop-up window will ask you for your pixel ID. This is something you get from your Facebook Ads Manager account, so make sure you've already created a pixel on Facebook before you begin this process. You can easily find your pixel ID by going to your Facebook Ads Manager, clicking on Events Manager, and selecting your pixel. Copy the pixel ID and paste it into the box in GetResponse. Next, you'll need to choose which GetResponse campaign you want to integrate with your Facebook pixel. This is where you'll decide which list or form you want to track conversions for. Once you've chosen your campaign, click Save to link your pixel to GetResponse. Next thing to do is test the pixel. You can use Facebook's Pixel Helper extension for Chrome, which will show you if your pixel is firing correctly when someone visits your site or landing page. This is a crucial step, because if the pixel isn't firing, you won't be able to track conversions properly, and your Facebook ads data will be inaccurate. The fourth thing is setting up conversion tracking in Facebook. You can go back to your Facebook Ads Manager and select the conversion events you want to track with your ads. This will allow Facebook to optimize your ad campaigns based on the actual actions people take on your website or landing page, helping you get better results. Now, a common problem with GetResponse is that it can be a bit clunky when it comes to tracking advanced events. For more granular data and better performance, GetResponse doesn't provide the most seamless integration with Facebook's advanced tracking options like event customizations or dynamic retargeting. For example, if you're looking to do advanced retargeting based on specific actions taken on your website, GetResponse may fall short. It doesn't give you the same level of flexibility as other platforms, which leads me to the alternatives. At the end of this video, I'll share a couple of options that might work even better for your Facebook pixel tracking and overall marketing needs, particularly if you're looking for more robust analytics, better integration with Facebook, and a smoother experience. To wrap things up, GetResponse does have its place in digital marketing, but for specific goals like advanced Facebook pixel integration and performance tracking, there are tools out there that can take your ad campaigns to the next level. Here's the kicker. If you're still interested in GetResponse, I've got an exclusive extended free trial through our link below. But also, stick around for the alternatives I'm about to share with you, ones that not only offer better features for this exact goal, but also come with free trials. Using the link in the description, you'll get the best deals, so you can test them out risk-free. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the links for those extended trials.